Today, we will make a cute makeup set, a dress, and shiny gold jewelry from clay.
Yeah! Hey, it will be fun, right, guys?
When our doll queen gets ready as a bride for her wedding, the mother-in-law and sisters-in-law will hold her hands and ask which goldsmith made such stylish jewelry and such beautiful bangles. Today we will also make a colorful eyeshadow box from clay so that the bride doesn't have to go to the beauty parlor. Then we will make a magnificent wedding dress for our bride from clay, which will make her look like a princess. Along with it, we will make matching pink sandals, and as for that gold and diamond set, well, don't even ask. When our bride wears such a beautiful set, it will set the whole neighborhood on fire. No one has ever worn or heard of such a beautiful set until now. Let's first make a cute makeup box for our bride, for which we will take black and pink clay. By adding red soil on top of pink soil, we will cut it from one side using a scale. Then we will make small balls of many colors and stick them with the box. Actually, to prepare the bride, only red eyeshadows were enough. But obviously our bride will go to her in-laws' house after the wedding. Now who knows what colors of suits her mother-in-law and sisters-in-law have made for her. So whenever she wears a new suit, obviously she will have to do matching makeup. That's why we will make eyeshadow in every color so that if she wears a yellow outfit, she can apply yellow on her eyes. And if she ever wears an orange outfit, she can apply orange on her eyes. Now we will make small round balls of pink clay. Then we will press those balls from the top. After that, we will create lovely designs on them and fill them with lots of colors, sticking them with our makeup box. In this way, our bride's makeup box will become very beautiful and stylish. By the way, between us, our bride doesn't really know how to do makeup. It's a big deal if our bride ever washes her face with soap in the morning. In the early morning, until she gets a couple of taps from mom's shoe, her eyes don't fully open. But anyway, now that she is going to her new home, it's only fitting to give her some makeup. Now we will fill them with shiny glitter. Then we will place all those balls on the right and left sides of the box, one above the other. In this way, the bottom part of our box will be made. Now we will make a lovely little mirror on the top part so that when our bride starts doing makeup, she can see her face in the mirror. As you know, our doll queen doesn't know how to do makeup. Now, it shouldn't happen that she goes around with a messed up makeup early in the morning in front of her in-laws. That she went to do makeup and came out looking like a ghost. Then, as soon as she goes in front of her sister-in-law, the poor thing almost faints. And the mother-in-law says,
"Oh, I got scared. Hey, turn it around."
If there is a mirror along with it, at least she can set her makeup properly. Now we attach this mirror to the box. Now just our cute little makeup box is ready. Now we will make a lovely dress for our bride with pink clay. First, we will roll the pink clay into a circle. Then, we will place a fine mesh fabric over it and create pleats by hand. By adding lots of pleats, we will make a royal frock with buds for our bride, like the royal attire princesses used to wear in ancient times. In the same way, our bride will also look just like a princess wearing this royal outfit today. Yes, it's a different matter that our princess will only look like a princess. Otherwise, she is so poor that the 10 rupees pocket money her father gives for school is barely enough for her to buy just one samosa, and she has to plead with her friend to drink a cold drink. Now we will make small round pearls from white clay and stick them on the frock. Then we will paint them silver with silver nail polish. It will look like tiny silver pearls are on our anarkali frock. You all must have often heard about the anarkali frock, but you might not know why it is named so. Today, I will tell you the story of the real Anarkali. Actually, Anarkali was the name of a famous dancer who used to perform in the Mughal court. It is said that Prince Salim, who later became known as Jahangir, the father of Shah Jahan, fell in love with Anarkali's beauty and dance. They both fell in love. But when Emperor Akbar found out, this love was considered against royal dignity. According to tradition, Akbar had Anarkali entombed alive in a wall. This beautiful garment for girls came to be called the Anarkali frock, named after this symbol of love and beauty, Anarkali.
Wow!
The story of that real Anarkali and our doll queen is exactly the same. That Anarkali was imprisoned within 4 walls by the king. But our doll queen's antics are such that if mom had her way, she would lock her up within 4 walls and give her 2 to 3 spankings as well. But anyway, now she is going to the next house. She is only a guest for a few days, so we will bid farewell to our doll with great love. Now we will take a transparent sheet. I had already cut it into a square. Now we will apply a strip of black clay around it. You can easily find this sheet attached to a box. I also picked it up from the trash. Now don't think it's from a trash can. In fact, I have a separate box for myself where I keep such things stored. So our cute little face powder box is ready. Now we will make beautiful sandals for our bride using red and pink clay. First, we will make the bottom part of the sandals. First, we will flatten the red clay. Then we will stick the pink clay on top of it. After that, we will make long strips of pink clay and attach them to the sandals. Generally, the bride wears high-heeled shoes on the wedding day. But we will make our bride wear sandals because our bride is very innocent and delicate. She already has to wear such a heavy frock today, and if we also make her wear thin-heeled shoes, she might get dizzy managing the frock and fall somewhere. If she breaks a bone on the first day itself, she might have to limp for the rest of her life. Therefore, it's better that we have the bride wear soft sandals. Now she can walk comfortably with style and strike as many poses as she wants while taking photos without any fear of falling. Now we will attach a blue pearl to the shoes flower. Then we will create a design with a black pencil. Come on, now our very stylish and lovely sandals are ready. Now let's place them next to the bride's dress. And now let's move on to the most important item for the bride. You must have guessed what I am going to make. You got it absolutely right. Now we are making a beautiful gold necklace set for our bride queen. First, we will make a stand from blue clay to hang our gold necklace. Obviously, if we carelessly leave such an expensive item lying around, there is a risk of it breaking. If a thief or robber steals our expensive necklace, that would be a different kind of heartache. Now we will make a long strip from yellow clay. Then we will shape it like a necklace and stick it on the blue stand. After that, we will make the remaining parts of the necklace, and finally, we will color this necklace gold with a golden pencil. Just look. Now our necklace looks just like a brass necklace coated with gold. Now we will add a bit more design to make our necklace look a bit modern. When the elder sister-in-law hosts the wedding feast, our bride will wear this set there too. Now we will make red and green pins for our bride to wear in her hair. After the wedding, when our bride styles her long hair, she will use these lovely pins. After that, we will make a red lipstick for the bride. For this, we will stick red clay with black clay. Then, by attaching a strip of yellow clay, we will give our lipstick a finer look. Because even if the bride doesn't do any other makeup, she doesn't look like a bride until she puts on lipstick. Now, we will also make an expensive branded perfume from clay and keep it with us. Although this Dior perfume is so expensive that our poor bride could never buy it. But getting this perfume was our bride's childhood dream. Who knows? Maybe with the money from the unveiling ceremony, she might actually save enough to buy this perfume. Now, we will also make a combing brush with green and pink clay, so our bride can comb her hair in the morning. Since childhood until now, it has been the case that mom would bring our bride by holding her braid. Then mom would make her braid. Now, who knows who will take care of her hair in the next house? Anyway, a like for mom is deserved, and let's subscribe to the channel and give the bride a gift for her first appearance.